Tate Meagher with the Meagher Law Office. A frequent question I get from someone that's been involved in a car accident is, who ultimately determines whether I'm at fault or the other driver? Well, ultimately what we're looking at is, what would a jury do with your particular circumstances? How would they determine who's at fault for the accident? Now, it's important to remember, in Kentucky is a comparative negligence state. This means that if the plaintiff is injured in a car accident, they can still recover. Even if they're determined to be at fault for the accident, they can still recover from the other driver's insurance company for their injuries, so long as they're not 100% at fault, determined to be 100% at fault for the accident. So for instance, say they're in a car accident, ultimately a jury determines that the plaintiff is 20% at fault for the accident, and the other driver, the defendant, is 80% at fault for the accident. The plaintiff can still recover for the damages, but they can only recover for 80% of their damages. They're out the 20% that they're determined to be at fault. So ultimately, they can still recover, but their claims diminish by the percentage that they are determined to be at fault. So again, when we're looking at who's going to be labeled to be at fault for the accident, when we're negotiating these types of car accident cases, what we're ultimately trying to do, not only me as an attorney or anybody from my law office, the insurance companies too are looking at this, ultimately asking themselves, what would a jury do under these circumstances, the facts of your case? Now, most cases don't go all the way to a jury trial, so ultimately a settlement might be reached. But as part of the negotiations, a lot of what is discussed is who is at fault for the accident. And what we're really trying to determine is, what would a jury of strangers determine, based on the facts of your case, who is at fault for the accident. Thanks for watching. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Call Tate, and watch more of my YouTube videos. Thanks.